Good afternoon. This is Andres Arteaga with Laarcourier in Ecuador, and we've been asked to do a short video about a little bit of a background of our company and a little bit of a summary of the project. So let's just start a little bit with a summary of our company. Laarcourier is a company focused on providing courier services, which mainly focus on a simple business model, which is pick up at location A and drop off at location B in the fastest way possible. Obviously, it sounds a lot easier than it actually is, but that's in a nutshell what we do. We pick up here, we drop off there, and we try to do it in the most effective and most efficient time possible. Now, we have about 550 employees and about 800 credit customers. And one of the things we really want to do, and the reason why we are in need of your help, is we want to go deeper into this entire supply chain process in helping our customers outsource their logistics needs with us. So what does that mean? If right now I am picking up in one location and dropping it off in another, what we want to do by going deeper in their supply chain is be able to do warehouse inventory management, pick and pack, sorting, and allow our customers to free up their cash flow by giving us that entire supply chain process to us for us to manage. For the past about year and a half, we've been building about 13,000 square meters of warehouse space. And although we built the warehouse with an entrepreneurial vision of this is where the future is in Ecuador, 3PLs are up and coming, and we know that the need for it is a reality, or is starting to become a reality in Ecuador. The truth of the matter is that we're still the concept of a 3PL is still very new in Ecuador. So we need a lot of help in being able to really put a project together and put a business plan together to make this idea into a successful reality. And so what does the project entail? First of all, the idea is to do a full-blown benchmark analysis on the 3PL or third-party logistics industry here in the US and how some of those best practices are being applied and are being successfully implemented in Latin America. I know for a fact that Ecuador, Colombia and Peru are countries that have implemented 3PLs very successfully, so we can do some benchmarking there as well, and use those best practices to help us come to the second part of the project, which is developing a business plan and really creating the critical components of a business plan to help us execute this new division of our company that is now focused on this additional, which is administering our customers' products instead of just moving them. And so for that, we will rely and we'll work together on the different platforms you guys have available to you through your university to be able to work on these critical components that can help us determine the right industry, the right customers, and all of them in a very, very quantifiable way, so that not only we can determine how us as Laarcourier are going to be successful and profitable in this venture, but truly help our customers understand how are we really adding value and be able to provide true real data on the percentage amount that they're going to be able to save on warehousing or in payroll or in time in transit, etc. We, based on the information that we'll gather through the project, we'll be able to come up with a few strategic presentations and strategic decks that we can sit down with a customer, and the idea is to really be able to persuade them by providing them with true data of how we can make this happen. So we're a family business. We have been in business for about 15 years, and I will be the lead point of contact for you all in this project. However, and I spend about 60% of my time here in the States. However, my siblings, they're in Ecuador and they spend the majority of their time in there. So with boots in the ground there and here, we'll be able to to make a pretty good synergy to work together with you, and hopefully by the time this project is done, we can have a executed business plan in place, and we can have this thing ready to go. And I look very much forward to having the opportunity to be part of G-Lab, to work with you guys, and to be able to provide a great experience for you as well as for everyone here at Laarcourier. So I thank you for your time. I look forward to meeting you guys in person the last days in September, and hopefully we can get started right there and then. All right. Thank you.